This year's Snap Partner Summit was a celebration of innovation, creativity, and connection. We shouted out our growing community of more than 850 million monthly active users and heard how they're using Snapchat to keep in touch. We announced a partnership to help parents and teens safely get the most out of Snapchat. We shared exciting product changes that make it faster, more personal, and a whole lot more fun to chat, share, and snap. We heard from creators and announced the latest tools to bring them closer to the friends and fans they love. We showed how the magic of AR is connecting people across the globe, in stadiums, museums, and everywhere in between. We unveiled our best spectacles yet, powered by Snap OS, and invited Snapchatters to experience wearable AR together. We can't wait for what's next. Here's to a brighter future.